Do you want to add more than one photo to your Instagram story? You can put multiple pictures on your Insta story with just a few simple steps. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to add more than one photo to Instagram story. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out after watching this video. To add multiple photos to your Instagram story. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. At the top of your Instagram profile page, tap the plus icon. A pop-up screen will appear. From here, select Story. A new screen will appear, displaying all the photos and videos from your device gallery. To post more than one picture in your Instagram story, select the multiple pictures you want to add to your story. To select multiple photos, long press on a photo and choose the needed images. Once you've selected the photos, you will see the next button. Tap on it. Here, you will see two options. Select Layout from the available options. You are now on the story editing screen. You can add music, text, and stickers to your collage story. Once you're satisfied with your story, tap your story to post it.